Hello, my name is Felipe Ortiz Turi. I am a business administration student in my sixth semester. I am 34 years old. I am responsibly punctual and I like working in the time. I have experiences as a financial analyst. Do administrative work like reports and follow up payments. I also work on payment projects. I'm good at organizing information and working with data. One of my strengths is responsibility. I always implement and make tasks on time. I also like challenges because they help me learn in energy, teamwork, and the working with others. Uh, One of my weaknesses is speaking English. I can student understand, but sometimes I feel nervous when speak. Also, sometimes I feel anxious about results. However, I am working and improving every day. You should hear me because I'm committed and motivated. Have practical experiences at in what to learn more. You want to grow professionally and apply make congruent. I can bring responsibility and teamwork to your company. Yes, I would like to come about work opportunities in the company. Thank for your time.